Hi guys, welcome to Jas's Journey. My name is Jasmine and I am so excited, you guys, that we have so much information to cover for Boxycharm. I live in Florida and we usually don't get too much cold weather, but let me tell you, today is really cold and that's why I'm wearing a sweater. But I love this weather. I love this season. I missed it. I used to live up north. I used to live in New Jersey. I used to love snow close to Christmas. So yeah, I miss it. I like it, but I also like my warm temperature. So guys, let me tell you, we have so much to cover, not just December but also for January. So I don't know about you, even though it's cold, I still like my iced coffee. But I actually did some cocoa bombs. I just have them ready to go. But if you guys want, get your coffee, your tea, or maybe your cocoa bombs and just relax and enjoy this video as we go through this many spoilers. So we're gonna get started with the base box. Of course, we're gonna do base, premium, and Boxy Luxe all for the month of December. Let's just stay in December because I know there is so much and I really don't want to bring any confusion. So we had all makeup pretty much, and it was hard actually to pick one. We have Dominique Cosmetics. That palette looks so pretty and I feel like it's perfect for the holidays. But we also have a complexion item, and this is a Liz concealer. Pick that. You was able to select the shade that you want, and I feel like that is something that I would have liked to do, to pick, because I'm running out of my concealer and I don't know if that would have been a good choice. The one that I used is Too Faced. What other concealer? I have been trying out some new concealers and I feel like they're a little missed. They're not as good as the Too Faced. So you guys have something to recommend, let me know in the comment section. If you have one that is full coverage but it's not heavy, let me know in the comment section. But yeah guys, for base, those were the two products that we had as choice. But we have something else. So we have an eye serum, but I do like that this one says eye serum, so it's going to be more lightweight. And this one is Filmora retinol eye cream, but the one you're going to be seeing is from this line, which is the retinol line, which is the green one. And every of these ones, of these items, I do like. It's Murad retinol youth renewal eye serum. So this one is the eye cream. It does look a little different. So that is a potential spoiler that we might be seeing for the base box. It's a good price, so seeing that in the base box is pretty interesting, which we know that it could be a little expensive. Guys, that's all we have for base. So let's go ahead and move on to premium. As you know, premium, we get to pick two items, and lately we have been seeing that the choice may be two, and sometimes they'd be surprising different charmers with a rare item included in there that it wasn't mentioned, but it might appear on choice date, and we did see that here for the premium box. So choice number one, we had between skincare and makeup. So skincare was Chorus Greek Yogurt Probiotic Super Dose Face Mask. It's a face mask, and you know we have tried Chorus. It's a pretty good brand, but guys, it really is hard to beat with a face palette. Not a face palette, but a makeup palette. And we have been seeing Treslou's Beauty. I am impressed with that brand. Treslou's Beauty Midnight The Sales Shadow Palette. And that was a choice item. I love the colors. I love the packaging. Love the outer, the way it looks from the that palette. We normally see everything kind of like a sapphire blue, but this one is totally different, so I really like that. So that was choice number one. Now we're going to move on to choice number two, and we have Grown Alchemist. This one is anti-pollution primer. I'm not much of a fan of primer. I do try them out to see if I see a difference. Sometimes I do see a difference, but then I forget to wear it. But Grown Alchemist is one of those brands that I love, you guys. The packaging is very simple, yet the ingredients and the products I feel like are such a good keeper. This was one of those moisturizer that really helped my oily skin. We have the Detox Night Cream, and this one is the body cream. I love Grown Alchemist, and now seeing that they have a primer, I'm excited to try it. Then we have also for choice, this one is a new brand. It's called Ella Luz Liquid Bronze with Camu Camu. So this one sounds very exciting. If I had to pick between these two, it would be really hard because I would like both of the products. So you know those surveys that they sometimes send in your email? Well, there is one going around, and it is showing another product for the premium box, and that I did not mention on my other video. And it's this product right here. It's from Seattle, London. This is a watermelon setting spray. We might be seeing this in some of the premium boxes. I don't know if everybody's gonna be getting it. Beauty for Certain eyeliner duo. I'm preferring than seeing lip liners. I keep seeing lip liners in that survey. Maybe Huda Beauty, I don't know. I sometimes see the lipstick in that survey, but I don't know. We might be seeing, if we don't see it in December, we might be seeing Huda Beauty maybe in January. So guys, that is all I have for premium. Now let's go ahead and move on to Luxe, Boxy Luxe. That's going to be the winter box that we're going to be expecting for the month of December. And for this one was really exciting. This one we saw, of course, you get to pick two different choices. And the first one, which I am still kind of like surprised, is Wake Heart Prism Fragrance. First time you're going to be seeing a full size fragrance, and then it was a choice. So I am so excited about that. For that, Anastasia Beverly Hills is a face palette. There's 3 different shades you was able to pick, and it looks very pretty. We also saw another complexion item. This is Tarte C Hydroplex Serum Foundation. So it looks very lightweight. It applies like a serum. It's a foundation. Then for choice number 2, we have this interesting product that we keep seeing on Instagram and even on TikTok. This product is a blush, and you apply it is green, because green is the opposite color of the color wheel. When you apply blush, it changes to the right color, blush color for you, and it's from Euphoria BYO blush. Excited about that, and it was actually a choice. And the other choice was Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze. So guys, those were the choices, but we have more spoilers for December Luxe box. We have maybe another product that we might be seeing as a potential spoiler, and that is from One Size Secure the Blur Primer. But now I'm excited to actually try it because of the great review that it has received. So let me know if you guys have tried it, or if you have heard the same thing. Another product that we might be seeing for Luxe is Fenty Beauty. Yes guys, I'm excited to see Fenty Beauty again, and this one is the lip paint. We don't know what shades or if it's going to be a variation, but I'm excited to see that in the box. I think it's perfect to have that great lipstick for the holidays, and I think this will be it. For Luxe, yes, I do have something else. This one is Dew of the Gods, the Glow Challenge Sheet Mask Set. So I already finished base, premium, and Luxe. These I don't have a category or a box to put it in, but I do believe they're coming for the month of December, and one of those is Mali Beauty Best Dreads Lids Eyeshadow Palette. That palette is so pretty. We have been seeing palettes for every boxes. I don't think I've seen a palette for Luxe, so maybe this might be a palette we might be seeing for the Boxy Luxe. I don't know, let me know. Another product that I've seen is also called Moonlit Makeup Setting Spray. Since we have a setting spray for premium, we know for a fact that maybe that's not going to be coming for the premium box, so it might be for base box and maybe for Luxe. I don't know. In the survey, I did see that in that survey for a potential spoiler for premium, I did see Complex Culture, and this will be the 3-piece eye brush set. Guys, that was so much to cover, and we're still halfway. Now we're going to move on to January, and the first thing you should know is the choice date. So this is going to be choice date. This is going to be the choices for the month of January, the boxes of January 2023. Can you believe that? That's going to happen on December 12th. So keep that important date to know, so you don't miss your choice date. And also that's when drop shop is going to open. Note that the cutoff date to receive orders by December 24. If you're still placing orders from all the mega deals that are happening right now, there's a cutoff date. So if you want to receive those products before December 24, you have to place and make your orders by December 12th, which is the date also for January choices. And what is a choice item for a base? Let's see. So this is interesting because it's a new launch. I don't have any pictures to share with you guys. I don't even know how it's gonna look like, but it's from Wonder Beauty. We have seen a palette in the past. It was from Wonder Beauty also, and it was called Escape Palette, but this one is called Sweet Escape palette. That's going to be your first choice item. The second product for base choice is Anastasia Beverly Hills. We keep seeing Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I'm excited for. This one is Deep Brow Gel, and the options are going to be in 10 shades. It's interesting because we did see this in a survey a long time ago, so we're finally going to see this as a choice for base. Now for premium, these are not confirmed, but these are just brands that we might be seeing, and based on surveys I'm going to show you one, but it might not be that item, because we noticed that there's some newer items that we haven't seen on surveys, and then we see them on the boxes. So these are the brands that we should be expecting maybe for the base box for the month of January. We've seen Touch in Soul. We have not seen that brand in a while, so that will be exciting to start the new year with that brand. Also Elemis. Guys, I don't know if you know this, I went on a cruise in September, and when I went to the spa and facial and all about skincare, every product they showed, I wish I could have taken a picture. Every product, everything they use for your skin, for the facials, for the treatments, everything, you guys, is from Elemis that they recommended. I already had, because I received it in my boxes, so, or I have purchased in the store from Boxycharm. So seeing Elemis again, it just reminds me, I was like, oh, we're gonna get another good product that maybe I saw there that they recommended. So I'm always excited to see Elemis. Next, we're gonna be seeing Persona. We have not seen Persona in a while, I think. So that is interesting to see all those brands coming for January. So the premium box, I don't know, you guys, remember the first time the CEO of Boxycharm, which was Joe, he shared that we're going to be receiving a complexion item, and I think the complexion item, we received it in January. So it's good to see that again happening this January. In January, we're going to be seeing another complexion item, and it's a foundation, and this one is interesting. It's a different brand. Hide foundation. It's called Invisible Oil Free, and it's medium to full coverage foundation. So I love that because it's a medium to full coverage. I love that, and I love the packaging. It's very minimal but very sleek and very cute, so I'm excited for that. So that will be a complexion item for the premium box. The other product will be Ofra Cosmetic on the Glow. So I'm excited to see Ofra Cosmetic. If you have received it, they're just giving an opportunity for others that have not received it like me. This will be a time to get it if I didn't want the foundation. So what would be choice number two? Choice number two, I'm excited to see this brand again. I was already missing this brand because it's really good products that are very different with different ingredients to target problem areas for your skin, and it's Volition Beauty. This one is strawberry seed, so the other ingredient is going to help soothe irritated skin and boost luminosity. That's interesting. And it also has hyaluronic acid to hydrate and visibly plump your skin. So next item will be still skincare from Liz Beauty. This one is Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum. This one also has vitamin C, and it also has hyaluronic acid. So this one is going to be really hard to pick one versus the other. We are going to be seeing Ciate London. We've been seeing Ciate London. So once again, we might see it in the premium box. Ciate London, Uoma Beauty in the boxes for January, so that will be interesting to see there. So guys, thank you for spending some of your time with me. Let me know what you guys selected. Did you guys pick hot cocoa bombs? Which one is your favorite? Or iced coffee, or regular coffee, or tea? Let me know in the comment section. But you know what I got iced coffee, but I think I am ready for cocoa bombs. So thank you guys for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, bye.